Hi folks, it's Rick from AC Polka Refrigeration Service working on the Samsung bottom freezer. Hear the noise. That's the evaporator fan blade hitting the ice. So to get this apart, there's a Phillips screw here, 2 Phillips screws down below, one here, and one there, right here. Then you have to wait to get the ice to defrost a little bit more and pop this panel off, get to the evaporator, clean it out, defrost it, and reassemble it, and make sure the fan motor is still good. Give us a call, 484-764-7738, or the office, 570-629-3460. Thank you for tuning in, folks. Again, working on a Samsung Twin Cool. This is typical of the Samsung Twin Cools. This happens a lot. Thank you. Take care during this pandemic. God bless.